guys, welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm doing is I'm cutting up some potatoes right now because if you watched my previous vlog, I am on a fast. So with that, one of the things that I gave up was oh, first of all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit that subscribe button. So yeah, there's the intro. Sometimes I'll be forgetting that part. But anyways, so today, so like I said, in my fast, I gave up meat. So I be, ooh, Lord, I ain't gonna lie. I don't know, the first few days seemed like not bad, but, ooh, it seemed like everywhere I go, I smell chicken. Jesus. So I be like trying to come up with different ideas, different meals. So what I'm gonna do is I'm peeling some potatoes right now because I'm gonna make some homemade French fries. And then I was on the phone with my girlfriend the other night and I was telling her how I wanted some cauliflower hot wings. And homegirl, she's like, have you tried deep fried broccoli? I'm like, no, I've never even heard of that. And I was like, I got broccoli in the refrigerator because we've been eating broccoli and a whole bunch of veggies and stuff like that. I think that's enough French fries. We've been eating broccoli and a whole bunch of veggies, so I was like, cool, I'll try that. So that's what I'm making tonight. I'm doing the homemade potatoes. I'm gonna slice them the long way, and then this is gonna be my first time making some fried broccoli. That it don't even really sound good. So this, I got it now. So this is the broccoli that I got from Walmart. So I don't know. I might just kind of like. I don't really know how I'm gonna do them. I should look up some online, but I think I'm not finna do all that egg and all that. So basically, I think put my potatoes in the sink. I think I'm gonna just probably wet them a little bit. Kind of rinse the broccoli a little bit and then put the flour. Well, should I see? Yeah. I think I'm gonna wet them down a little bit. Season them up real good. Put them in flour and then put them in the hot grease. I think that's what I'm gonna do. So, I'll be back. So I'm gonna get my grease going because I think I'm gonna drop my fries first because I don't know how long that broccoli take, but I don't think it take long. So I think I'm gonna do the fries. I think I'm gonna do the fries first. So. Yeah. So I'm gonna dice my potatoes the long way. What the freak? Oh. So you dice them. Oh, y'all can't even see that. Hold on. I think that's cool. Okay. So I'm gonna dice my potatoes in half like so, and then I'm gonna flip them over on the flat side, and then I'm gonna give it about maybe 3. Should I do 3 slices? You just kind of slice them to what you like, shit. But I don't like. Okay, so I got my potatoes all cut and rinsed. So now what I'm gonna do is I got a clear pan here. I'm gonna lay my potatoes out like so. And then I'm going to season my potatoes. So I'm moving kind of fast because my grease is getting too hot. So I'm gonna start with some black pepper. Can y'all see that? Hope so. Then I'm gonna take some seasoning salt. I'm gonna take some garlic salt, onion powder, and a little accent, not a lot. Not a lot of accent. Then I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna mix it around like so. Ooh, my wrist getting hot. I can hear. Oh shit. I'll mix it around. So can you see that? Yeah. So then I'm gonna take my potatoes over to the frying pan and I am going to start dropping my fries. Oh shit. So you don't want to put too many in the pan at one time because it takes it longer to cook. It takes it longer to cook. So now I'm going to get my broccoli started. This is the tricky part because I ain't never done it before. Dang. I'm going to use my strainer to kind of wet it down. Oh, shit. I missed. I think that should be enough. I don't know how that's going to taste. Okay, so. Oh, maybe I can put a little oil on there. Oh, yeah, that's what I'll do. Let me see. Because, what the fuck is that? Use this at the bottom of my strainer because I don't want the seasoning to get everywhere. So now I'm gonna start my broccoli. So I'm gonna use the same ingredients. I basically, what is that? What the fuck? I basically, oh, it's real delicate. I basically want it to taste like chicken, to be honest. So I'm gonna season it down real good. That's garlic salt. I'm gonna use some pepper. Onion powder. Some seasoning salt. A little bit of this Italian hot sauce. I still don't know if I like this one yet. Season that down. Maybe I should. You gotta be gentle with it so it don't really break. So kind of gently toss it in a circle, I guess. Yeah. Like that. Look like it needs some more seasoning. I'm gonna use some more seasoning salt. I'm almost out of pepper. Some pepper. Oh, and some garlic powder. Garlic powder? Put some garlic salt in. And mix it around gently. So, make sure it's not dripping really. Can you see it? So that's what it looks like. Hopefully you can see it. I don't know if you can see the seasoning on there. Hope so. So I got my fries going.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real.
Yeah, that's that. All right. This meal is actually quick. So I'm gonna turn that like so. So now I'm gonna take a plastic bag. Put that in there. I hope this come out good. So I'm gonna pour some of my all-purpose flour inside the bag, like so. Then I'm gonna move this out the way. These fries is ready, I think. So we're gonna put some seasoning on the. We're gonna season the flour. Alright, we got the first batch out of fries. Looks good. Okay guys, the first batch of fried broccoli is done. It looked good too. It don't look bad at all. It kind of looked like boneless wings. Look at that. It fried really good. Not bad. Can't wait to taste it. So I left the kids plain and I made mine buffalo style. So let me tell y'all, you have to try this recipe. It tastes, I don't want to say it tastes like chicken, but damn near close.